I'm like fascinated with category design and being a category king and all these different things. Yesterday, we were interviewing one of the early employees at HubSpot, right? Which is this like publicly traded company now and this and that. And he specifically talked about you cannot be the leader in your market category. You can't be a category king and really just win at anything if you don't build a great team and build a great culture, man. So like within all of this, I think culture is like the hidden driver all of this. And I think the department most associated with culture is HR, which is the last department here that we're gonna meet for the first time before the behind the scenes tour, and another special surprise after the behind the scenes tour. So here we go. This is Mike Wolfel.
The human resources department here at JWB, we're responsible for bringing in and managing all the amazing people and teammates that our investors deal with and interact with on a regular basis. These teammates are brought in with a primary focus of helping our investors, protecting their assets, and serving them the way that they would want their own investments to be treated. While we care about a lot of numbers, retention makes its way to the top. At JWB, we spend a significant amount of time in the interview process to ensure individuals who are offered employment check all the boxes and are the strongest performer that can help us support and serve our clients and investors in the best way possible. Once somebody is brought in as a teammate to JWB, we care and we want them to stay for the long term. Ultimately, a long-lasting relationship with JWB and our investors is what makes us all successful.
Again, long-term thinking, length of relationships. Lee, tongue-in-cheek here in the chat, says HR at JWB seems redundant. One of the things that we talk about in the class is this idea of you want your team that you're investing with to be incentivized by individual metrics that move the needle. And this idea of somebody that is driving the metric of length of employment and consistency inside the team doesn't seem redundant at all. It seems like one of the most crucial metrics to be driving if what you want to do is build long-term relationships.
Yeah, absolutely. And I'm glad to introduce Mike to you. Mike is our CFO as well. Mike's been on the team getting close to a year now. I don't know if we've had the opportunity to showcase him here, but you know. And so HR rolls up through our CFO here at JWB. And so I'm glad that Mike was able to share a little bit about what drives him on the HR side. Of course, accounting rolls up to Mike as well. Everything he talked about is really important. And one of the easiest ways to culminate all of that is best places to work awards. That really matters. Hopefully it matters to you to invest with a company that wins best places to work. I can tell that it matters for talent acquisition for us. We've won best places to work 9 times, and there's not a whole lot of companies that have won that 9 times. And so that's one of the ways that Mike is able and our team is able to attract talent. Then when we bring the talent in through the interview process, guess what? We're looking for that magic word. Is it a good fit? That magic phrase, is it a good fit? And so Mike and his team are incredible at that. And that's what powers our organization is talent acquisition.
Love it, man. Love it.